Drawn to the mountains like a bird is called to fly. She bathes in the rivers to wash herself of pride. She watches the oceans to learn from the tides. Well, she just wants to live before the day she dies. She says love is what we need. It is life and loss and all that's in between. It is hope when hope seems scarce. Well, she knows even in the darkness light is near. And though the path is not clear, there's no need to fear. There's more than just one way our hearts can steer. It's something that might fade will become clear. It's gonna be a great day and a better year. It's gonna be a great, 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 great day. It's gonna be a great, 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 great day. It's gonna be She looks into the starry skies. She wonders where she'll go the day that she dies. Will she fly above or will she disappear? Or will she find the love, the reason that we're here? She says love is what we need. It is love that connects all living things. It is hope that brings us peace. Well, it's time to accept serenity. And though the path is not clear, there's no need to fear. There's more than just one way our hearts can steer. It's something that might fade will become clear. It's gonna be a great day and a better year. It's gonna be a great, 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 great day. It's gonna be a great